All right, guys, we're going to do a little watch strap swap today with the SSK036 Seiko GMT. All right, I've shown this watch before. Really nice watch. Another great Seiko model. I have the SSK036 and I got the SSK017 that I also have on. Right now it's on the Jubilee strap, but I do have a yellow and black strap that I got from Strapx right here that I'm gonna put back on here as well. Goes really well with the watch. All right, more like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna put those back on. Just in the mood for the rubber straps this week. Really nice strap. But first, we're gonna do this one.